truck that my homie Motivation let me use to go pick up this motor I gotta get, man, for this car. Man, this bad boy rides super good, man. This car ride good. Big pickup truck, y'all see it? Yeah, man. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do in this business, baby. So, I'm gonna pick up this motor for this car. I'm gonna show y'all in this. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all right now. Gotta pick up a motor for this Chevy Cruze I got right here, man. I see it, a pretty Chevy Cruze. I gotta get a motor for it and put it back on the market. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But yeah, here it is right here, man. You know. Yeah, we need this. It's gonna be our little helper right here, you know. If we need to tow a car, we need to do anything, go pick up something, you know, like a motor or anything like that. Got this bad boy right here. Shout out to my homie, Mr. Motivation, man. Shout out to the homie. Now I'm gonna take my ass up a precision tune. You know, I gotta make my daily rounds to the come and check out the big boys. You know what I'm saying? But after this, I'm gonna go ahead and go pick up my motor so I can go ahead and get this car fixed, you know what I'm saying, and get it out of my boy's way. So, I'll let y'all in a minute. I'll see the big homie always taking care of business back there. You know what I'm saying? That's what he do. So, yeah. Yo, I finally made it, baby. See what they got for your boy. All right, I see that bad boy right there, man. Yep, there she is. Yeah, 539. Yep, that's it. Yeah, gotta grab this fucking motor, man, and get this car together. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Let's go. You gonna put it on the pallet or something? I got some tires in the back of that motherfucker, so don't slide. But
yeah, tires.
That's cool. Yeah. All right. Yep. Get this bad boy right. So yeah, just gonna get this motor put on the truck. Then it's back to the shop, baby. Y'all know how I do it, you know. Certain things you have to do in this car business, man, that, hey, if you don't do it, you ain't gonna sell on damn car. You know what I'm saying? So this Chevy Cruze, I gotta put a motor in it. I was kind of pissed off about that because when I drove the car, it drove right, you know, when I was at the auction. And then, you know, after you drive a car with 300 miles, there's nothing you can do about it when it's as far as the auction. Like, you can't return it or anything like that. So what I should have done is I should have got it towed to the damn dealership. That way, I could have arbitrated it, you know what I'm saying? And then I could have got some of my money back. But it is what it is, you know. Sometimes you live and you learn. Like my homie, Mr. Motivation, told me earlier when I first started this business. He said, when shit is good, it's great. But when it's bad, it's fucked up, you know? So it is what it is. About to get this motor, put it on the truck, and get the hell up out of here. I just thought about something real quick. This place right here behind me over here, when I was driving truck, I used to be here damn near every day. It's kind of crazy how small the world is, you know what I'm saying? I was right next to all the other places where I was gonna be doing business in the future. You know, when I was working at this job, I was driving for a company called Albright, and also a company, I was driving for a company called Valley Cartage, which y'all see me driving next to on my last video. But anyway, yeah, it's crazy, man. I used to deliver stuff up here all the time. Now I'm right next door picking up engines and shit, you know? So God is good, baby. All praises to the Most High, man. All praises to the big man upstairs, yo. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be able to do anything I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is, baby. Mind, body, and business. Get your mind right, your body right, and always take care of your business, baby. I mean, always. Let's get it. My man's got a big ass motor on this bad boy. He ain't playing them games, baby. Yo, I got that bad boy. See it in the back chilling? Yeah, so finally got this bad boy, man. It's time to go get this car ready, you feel me? Let's get it! Yeah. Oh, it's talking shit, look.
Now you're gonna have to put like 9-inch spacer on your hood.
Look, you always talking shit.
Yeah, that's what I do.
That's what I do.
Never mind, says the 4 tires are here for this.
Yeah. It's gonna get this
Gotta help. Fuck you.
raggedy ass motor off my car. Don't ever call me that in your life.
Oh, man.
Oh, she bringing me some new tires. I need those.
She loves it.
I know her, little bastard.
Shut up, Bo.
When you think you're gonna get these cars to start working on it?
Where my money?
I got them. What you mean? You want me to pay you first?
No. Then we'll
I'll
never
pay
get-
first,
then
motherfucker.
we'll
This
never
ain't
get it done.
this ain't big. All right. At least you need some motivation, huh?
Right.
Man.
Nah, we'll do it. We're doing that clutch. Hopefully that'll be done today. We can probably start on it tomorrow.
All right, hell yeah. What did it say? 6 hours? How many hours is it gonna take for that?
That thing's like fucking 12 hours.
God damn. So it's gonna take a couple days to get that fixed. A few days fucking with y'all.
Motherfucker, you've had that thing sitting up here for 3 fucking weeks.
It's been that long already?
Marinating.
Yeah, I know marinating and shit, right?
That way.
Yo, I ain't got no. It's pointing at me, motherfucker.
Oh,
you
okay,
coming
okay.
in? No, I got you, bro. Man, yo, crazy shit just happened, man. I had to get this car repossessed, and when my repo man got there, they pulled a damn gun on him, yo. So I gotta get this situation straightened out, man. It's crazy. We ain't playing those type of games. You know what I'm saying? We're not playing those types of games. But yeah.
You better tell the people she's pregnant, got COVID, lost her
Right.
job, lost her house.
Hey, they ain't got nothing to do with me, man.
Damn.
If I don't pay my motherfucking rent or my mortgage or whatever the fuck, my shit gone. So they know how this shit go. And I called her a few weeks ago and told her payment was due. She ignored it and then called me a couple weeks later talking about she had COVID. So I did everything right. So that's on her.